don't forget to subscribe.
Feeling wiggly, worried, or just need a break? Let's play a calming game called 5-4-3-2-1.
You can do this exercise anywhere. At home, at work, at school, in the car, or anywhere in public. Sitting, standing, or lying down. Anyway, you feel comfortable. Use your 5 senses to list things around you. Breathe deeply, in through your nose and out through your mouth slowly. Look around you. Look at 5 things you can see. A toy, a tree, your favorite book. Now find 4 things you can touch. Feel your soft shirt, a cool toy, or your cozy pillow. Now listen for 3 things. Shh. What can you hear? Maybe birds, a fan, or someone laughing. What can you smell? Try to identify 2 things you can smell. Maybe some flowers nearby, or the steam for your mug. And finally, think of 1 emotion you can feel. Use the 5-4-3-2-1 method anytime you feel overwhelmed or anxious to bring yourself back to the ground.